Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to clear chat from both sides, how to clear chats on your Instagram from both sides. So if you want to clear chat, just open your Instagram, of course, and let me show you an example. So just open this account so I can test if this does work or not. So I'm just going to send a message to myself, and let's see if we can clear the chat from both sides. How are you? Okay, today. So I'm just going to send it, and let me read it, guys, because you can read it and you can always clear the chat, even if the person that you have sent the message to read the chat, seen the chat. So I'm going to see it. As you can see here, guys, I have seen the message. Okay, and I can just clear the chat even to the person that I have sent the message to, seen the message, saw the message. Okay, so I'm just going to press. If you want to clear the chat, just click and hold for 1 second. Okay, click and hold for 1 second, and then click and send. Okay, and then when you click and send, it's cleared from both sides, from your Instagram and from the person that you have sent the message to. I'm going to make sure right now. So as you can see here, guys, it's gone. It's gone. Now no one can see the message. So you can do the same thing, even though they haven't seen the message. You can do it always, even if they don't see it or they have seen it. Doesn't matter. Okay, if this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.